Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Lavinia Lizette, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys one of my bob wigs from my wig line. I just want to show you guys a short clip of me installing this wig. I've had a lot of questions about this wig, so I figured I would just do a short tutorial on how to install this short wig. So this is Wig Brooke. She is a 10-inch lace frontal wig made with our Brazilian straight hair. This is how she looks. All I've done with this wig is just bump the ends of it straight out the pack. So I'm gonna install this wig so you guys can see how this wig looks on. If you're interested in purchasing, you can head on over to my website and pick up Wig Brooke. So if you're interested in seeing how this bob wig turns out, then stay tuned. Guys, I already had my hair prepped. My hair is braided underneath, and I did just you know, pull my edges up with some, what did I use? I used She Is Balm Edge Control. I actually love these products. Hope you guys can see that. I love these products. I found out about this company at the Bronner Brothers hair show a couple of years ago, and I love their edge control, and I also love their wax, which I'm sure you guys have probably seen me use it in one of my videos. I've used the wax, and I like their hair growth serum as well. So if you guys want to go check out She Is Balm, they have some really nice products, and it's a Black-owned business, so go out and support. So all I'm gonna do now is go ahead and put my wig on. I have adjusted my strap already. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. So usually I just go ahead and position my wig in place, and then I just pull the hair back and apply some pins just to get it out my way. And then sometimes I will even take a little bit of water and conditioner. I'll spray it on my fingers, and this would just take them baby hairs out the way. I like to use these small scissors. They're very precise, and I just feel like it helps me out a great deal. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't really know how to do hair. I just do my own. So I learn a lot from YouTube, and that's why I like to do these tutorials, because the people that purchase my products that don't know how to do hair, I like to show them what you can do on your own. And me being a unprofessional hairstylist, then it just gives people the confidence that they could do it themselves at home. So if you see me doing something odd, I don't know how to do hair, I just do my own, okay? But what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to make sure everything is out the way. And I'm actually going to start in the middle, cut and get close to the hairline. I'm just going to make some sections. Okay, so I'm going to start from right back here. I hope you guys can see this. And then, like I said before, I like to cut close to the hairline, but also in a jagged line so it's not really straight. And then I also try not to cut any of my baby hairs. Sometimes you can't avoid that, but you know, I try not to cut any of the baby hairs if I don't have to. And do you see why I say cutting in sections makes it easier? You don't have to worry about cutting all the way or continuing to go. If you do it by section, it just makes it so much more easier. And then you can always go back and cut more lace if you feel like you didn't cut enough. So I wouldn't freak out when you're doing this for the first time. As you see, there's still a little bit of lace on there, and I'm quite comfortable with that. And also, disclaimer, the knots on this wig have not been bleached, but as I say in all my videos, all of the wigs that I sell in store all of the wigs come with bleach knots. Remember, the goal is to be able to have a product where you have to do as little work as possible. And that's what I tried to do for all of my Posh babes. So if you purchase this wig, just keep in mind that your knots on the wig will already be pre-bleached. For me, this is the most difficult part to cut because you have a lot of excess lace, so you want to be able to get around the ear, but you don't want to remove too much, so you're able to still cover, you know, your tabs. The tabs still remain, so you can cover right there. And I remember, like, when I first started installing my wigs, I used to get scared of cutting like the lace where the hair is, but it's totally fine if you need to cut through. Like, say for instance, if I had a smaller head and my frontal needed to start right here, you could cut all of that off. You can remove all of that and you're not gonna have a problem, you know? So don't be scared to cut more than just the front of the lace if you have to. You can see my ear. Just still go around the ear, and the same on this side. So it's really simple. It's really simple to remove the lace. So now that I've removed the lace, I do like to use my Got to Be Glued, just the spray. Just disregard the busted broken bottle. As you know, I like to use this a lot. So I'm just gonna apply some of this on around the perimeter, and then I'm going to let my lace sit on the freeze spray until it dries. Got to Be freeze spray. When you spray it on, it is freezing cold and it can really get everywhere. So I picked up this tip from YouTuber Savannah. I can't think of her last name, but I will link her down below so you can check out all of her tutorials. So what I do is I take my Febreze spray, guys. I take my Got to Be Glued spray and I get a shot glass and I get one of my old makeup brushes. And what I'll do is I'll just spray it into the bottle, into the shot glass, sit my little brush in it, and then I will start to go across my hairline. It's just not as messy. You won't have the freeze spray sliding all down your forehead and in your ears and stuff. I just can't stand that shit. So I really do appreciate this method here. So I'll just do one little thin layer. I take my wigs off at night, every night, so I really don't do like a really secure hold. If I do, that means I'm like going somewhere like for the weekend or something, but most times I don't apply a lot. I just take my wigs off at night. And that's why in a lot of my stories, you guys see me in this bonnet because I just don't wear them at nighttime. Really, if I'm in the house, I don't really wear my wigs. So you spray it on, just let it dry a little bit. And then what you want to do is pull the wig forward and start applying it into the lace. I like to use a rat tail comb because it helps me just sit the lace onto the freeze spray. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I use my fingertips just to place the lace down first, which is not really a good idea because if you're using the Got to Be Glued gel, then it could just be a hot, sticky mess. So that's why it's best to use the comb. And then you can also see where if certain sections are not sticking down, you can go back in and then just apply a little bit more freeze spray. Take your rat tail comb, lay that lace right on top. So I'll just do this all around the hairline, and then afterwards I'll get like a scarf. I don't have any of my Poshlife scarves here, but I would take a scarf and then just wrap it down. But if you're shopping on the website, you can pick up one of our Poshlife hair scarves, satin scarves, and then you can tie your hairline down. It's just a much neater way to do this. I can't deal with all that stuff sliding down my face, and then it's freezing cold. Then it's, you know, it's seeping onto my eyebrows. My eyebrows going rock hard. I just can't deal. And I actually like to use the gel, the Got to Be Glued gel in the yellow bottle. I like both of them actually. I like the black one, the one in the black bottle, and the one in the yellow bottle. But the hold is better, but it is so much more messier, right? So much more. So you just keep doing that until you get the wig completely secured. I might need to get more. I can still feel pieces popping up, so I'm just gonna go back through and double check sections. And now you can actually see it's been glued down. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm just gonna remove all of my pins. So remember I said all I've done to this wig is just bump the ends. So you can see it's a slight curl on here. This was straight out of the pack, but I will probably end up doing something to the front of this hair. No, I actually did go in and try to define my parting space. So I did do a few things to this wig before putting it on. So you could wear this in the middle part, side part, whatever kind of part you want to wear. I'm actually going to put this behind my ear, I think. Hot curler, just to go in and make sure everything is nice and straight. And I'm just going to do just a tighter curl right there. There we go. And there we have it, quick and simple. This is the finished look of Wig Brooke. And as I said, this is a 10-inch lace frontal wig. And like I said, you can part her anywhere you want to part her. This is a 13x6 parting space. You can actually have a deep part, which is pretty cool for those of you that like to have a deeper part. I don't necessarily mind, but I do like this. This wig is super easy to install, lightweight. The hair is flawless, as you see. Can you see? Stiff wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, you can head on over to my website at poshlifehair.com and check her out. So follow my business page on Instagram, which is Poshlife Hair, and sign up for our VIP list so you can benefit from all of the perks of being a VIP member, which includes monthly discounts, giveaways amongst our members only. So there is perks to joining our VIP members. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @IamLavinia_Lizette, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.